how does the transition happen? Or rather, how do you get a taste of
I
your
think
new
when
career?
I started working and there was no play to do or no performance to do, suddenly there was a emptiness inside me. It's something I started missing because for the last 3-4 years, I had been doing this and energy focus and motivation was towards this thing about, whether we were reading plays or performing or preparing or there was always something happening. And then suddenly it was just an office and a job and a salary and I was not getting time to do a play. I did try to find some theatre groups in Pune, but that weekend theatre is not fun. Hindi English theatre is not very, or at least at that time was not great in Pune. Marathi theatre is outstanding.
And less troops and people. So fully Marathi, yeah.
Yeah, so the Marathi theatre is outstanding, but I didn't know how to speak Marathi. I could watch and enjoy maybe, even catching like 50% of it. So that, I think that feeling of, oh shit, I really want to do a play, I really want to do this, I really want to do this, started to build inside me. And of course, this getting used to this lifestyle of office and feeling like the corporate slave and all those Imtiaz Ali
इतना
movies.
जल्दी सर वो कब
शुरू
10
में
20
होता
साल
है
के बाद होता है
नहीं in fact my theory is that you get used to it in 2-3 years and then the next wave comes after 10-15 years when
so
you realize
conditioned after some time before that you already
because everybody was hating the job.
IIT का wildlife भी था ना
IIT का wildlife था, everybody started working. There's a little bit of confidence also कि like when I quit my job people were scared ना कि भाई वापस job मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, but if you have an IIT chop, like you said, but there is some confidence.
It's amazing because you've grown all your life. You're probably topping your, in Delhi and all that. You're topping schools. You're doing very well. You said first list of 200, 250 people. That's the best brains of the country. And then you're sort of thinking of throwing it all away after all those years of preparation. That's the thing I find really hard to understand.
So I think in my head,
mentality में जो conditioning है, it's very impossible to think beyond that.
Yeah. So I wanted to break away from the middle class. This thing also, and it was. Honestly, it was not like जैसा बहुत actors बोलते हैं ना कि मैं आ गया बॉम्बे अब मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा. It was not that for me. It was like I want to do this for a while. Theatre, not even like films and shows.
So
I didn't think about film.
Theatre?
I quit for theatre.
Where there's no money.
Where there's no money. So I thought maybe
you're not building bridges and all that.
नहीं तो हाँ ऐसा loss making enterprise होता है.
Parents say?
And they were worried. But उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोल? I was in Pune, they were in Delhi. They couldn't even beat me or whatever. It was like long distance stress. And my idea was that I'll take a break. Maybe I'll do this for 6 months.
को बताया कि I'll come back.
It's a sabbatical or whatever. I mean, I didn't give them
that's
enough
idea,
time.
actually.
My boss gave me his business card also. He was worried for me. He said, if you face any troubles in life, please call me. If अगर job नहीं मिलती है तो I'll try and help you. Because people didn't understand. Either you go to a different company, get a better salary.
I wouldn't understand. IIT grad, super student, everything perfect, got a good corporate job, and he said, मैं actor बन जाएगा. वो भी films में नहीं. I just do theatre because I love the art form.
It was a little. Some people didn't believe me. Some people thought. Some of my bosses thought I was lying that I had gotten a job in another company. और नहीं कंपनी में मिल गया जॉब इसको कहीं और सैलरी मिल रहा है कंपटीशन में जा रहा है बता नहीं रहा है. He's just making up this story. ऐसे कौन करता है? थिएटर के लिए कौन करता है bro? थिएटर तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. So I mean I didn't know how to explain it to them because maybe.
Where do you get the guts to just do this? So you had no work.
No idea.
You know acting work yet.
No, not professional. I just like done college.
And you said I'll take a break and take a chance.
I'll take a break, yeah.
Wow,
and I could have stayed back in Pune if I found something there. But I ended up meeting some people in Bombay. I ended up going to Prithvi Theatre. It's a fascinating place. Yeah. And then I was like, oh, wow.
Suddenly you find the people that you want to be with.
Yeah, this is where I want to be. This is my world. Artists and art and theatre and all that. Now I know
तू शर्ट निकाल के
कि कितना पॉलिटिक्स यहाँ पे भी होता है. लोगों को लगता है कॉर्पोरेट में पॉलिटिक्स है, आर्ट वर्ल्ड इज प्योर एंड ऑल. नाउ आई एम लाइक वो यहाँ तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है because it's subjective. You can just say I shit even if it's the best thing in the world. If you don't like it, you don't like it.
True.
So that is but in the beginning I was a little enamored by this world of art and I thought this is my place. This is where I belong. I don't belong to that office. Yeah. Saying all schedule and meetings and this thing. And Kharcha, I thought I'll do something. I'll do a part-time job. Maybe I'll teach or something. Like there was some kind of.
How old were you at this point?
Like 22.
22.
Yeah.
IIT grad. Huh.
Yeah. So
Thinking I'll teach now.
but me, no, I think
Poor parents. I'm just thinking.
IIT coaching and all of that.
I wish
is,
I could get into their heads for 5 minutes at that point.
I was just thinking of part-time jobs to make money while I do theatre, because I knew that theatre might not be, especially when I came to Bombay and learnt about the rent here. Yeah, somebody took me to a room. But room bhi nahi bolenge, whatever little balcony in Bandra.
एक मेज, उसके ऊपर एक cushion.
And so it's 25,000 rupees.
Yeah.
I said,
You
but
should do stand up on this, yeah.
yeah, it
The
was
experience of coming
bizarre.
in,
It was
yeah.
bizarre.
But they'll make it sound great though, huh?
Yeah, because in Pune, I was living in a 3-bedroom apartment for 11,000 rupees rent.
Yeah.
And one room was just like extra.
Extra, huh?
And we used to play football in the living room. It was just like that
Typical
kind of
Punekars,
size.
I tell you.
Right. And
Field पे कौन जाएगा?
suddenly you come to Bombay, like, yeah, let me get a room here. Let me find a space for myself. And the rents are crazy. And then you realize, of course, theatre से तो नहीं आने वाला है. Which is when I started
यार.
getting...
How about 120 seater? What is it? Is it?
Yeah, I used to get paid like 500 rupees for a show.
Huh.
Which is for a show, not for the rehearsals. Everything. So you rehearse for a month, you've done like 4 shows, you made 2,000 rupees.
Right.
So वो तो आपका rehearsal में रिक्शा में आने जाने में चला गया.
ठीक
और
है.
गलती से एक दिन अगर आपने बियर पी ली एक,
तो you take the money from
और
the
ऊपर
rickshaw
चला
वाला.
गया.
सर पैसा भरना पड़ेगा.
थिएटर वाला हूँ सर.
एक दिन स्टार. Wow.
So yeah, so वो but somehow which is why I started giving auditions and all कि चलो audition दिखाते हैं. It was also fun.